Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. As local businesses prepare for the implementation of the ban on single-use plastics and styrofoam, some have signaled that job cuts may be on the horizon. A few businessmen gave the indication yesterday while speaking on the exchange of Financial Gleaner and JNN Business Forum. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
With Cinco contemplating what to do with at least 150 employees after the government announced a ban on single-use plastic bags, plastic straws and styrofoam. Director of Marketing and Product Development at Wisynco, Francois Califor, says it will affect employment at the company.
There will be for instance, just at Wisynco alone, there's 150 employees who are dedicated, working 4 shifts, 7 days a week, 24 hours to manufacture approximately, we believe 65 to 70% of the market share. The rest is likely imported. So there'll be a definite shift in employment.
And Wisynco isn't alone. Director of Packaging at FlexPack, Alan Ross, says the ban will affect about 30% of the work being done by his company.
Between 30 and 40% of our work is actually plastic bags. The remainder is laminated packaging really for the food industry. And then we do also bunting. We have about 20 staff immediately they'll be affected, so we need to find solutions. We have about 200 clients.
Meanwhile, Special Projects Manager at Grace Kennedy, Simon Roberts, says it will affect its retail arm, Hilo Supermarkets.
If we speak specifically to scandal bags, plastic bags, and lunch boxes, foam packaging, and so on, it has a direct impact on our retail business, Hilo. And it will also have impact in the ability of our consumers to easily access the products.
Starting January 1, 2019, the government will impose a ban on the importation, manufacture, distribution, and use of specific categories of plastic packaging materials. These include single-use plastic carrier or shopping bags, styrofoam, and plastic drinking straws. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, says it fully supports the ban on single-use plastic bags, straws and styrofoam. President of the association, Omar Robinson, says some of the members stopped using plastics and styrofoam in their hotels and restaurants and have turned to substitutes like paper or bamboo straws, paper bags and boxes. Mr. Robinson said the JHTA is also in agreement with plans by private sector entities to monetize the recycling of plastics. In currency trading, the US dollar settled for $136.31 today. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $105.34. The pound is going for $179.07, while the euro closed the day at $161.14 on average. Now, oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in November went down by 58 cents to settle at $70.19 a barrel. The JSE index lost 5,488 points today, while the junior market index gained 22 points. Stocks posting gains: 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berita Investments, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now on the losing side were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement, Derrimon Trading, Epley, Fosrich, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.